What separates the financially free from those who are not? What are the skills that set the wealthy apart? These questions may have crossed your mind more than once. You see, financial freedom is not just about having an abundance of money, but it's also about possessing a certain set of skills and mindset that distinguishes the wealthy from the rest. These skills, often overlooked, play a critical role in shaping one's journey towards financial independence. They are not exclusive to certain individuals. Anyone can acquire and master them. By the end of this video, you will know the wealth secrets that can help you achieve financial freedom. You just need to take action and be disciplined. The first skill is financial literacy. Do you understand money and how it works? You see, money is more than just a medium of exchange. It's a tool that, when wielded correctly, can create wealth and prosperity. But to do this, you need to understand the principles of budgeting, saving, and investing. Think of budgeting as a roadmap for your finances. It's about knowing where your money is going and ensuring it's working for you, not against you. Saving, on the other hand, is about setting aside a portion of your income for future use. It's about delayed gratification, resisting the temptation of immediate pleasure for long-term benefit. Then there's investing. This is where the wealthy really set themselves apart. They understand that investing is the key to making money work for them. They make informed decisions about where to put their money to generate passive income, allowing them to focus on other wealth-building activities. Financial literacy is the foundation of wealth building. The second skill is strategic thinking. Do you plan for the future or live in the present? Strategic thinking isn't about being clairvoyant, but rather about being prepared. It's the art of forecasting, of envisioning possible futures and planning accordingly. It's playing chess with your life, always thinking several moves ahead. This is a common trait amongst the wealthy. They don't just stumble upon riches, they strategize and plan for it. They understand the importance of making smart decisions that will impact not just their present, but their future too. They don't shy away from making big decisions, but rather they thrive on it. Wealthy individuals also know the value of strategic investments. They don't just throw their money around hoping it will grow. Instead, they study, analyze, and strategize, making investments that will yield high returns in the long run. In essence, strategic thinking is the key to growing and maintaining wealth. It's the master plan behind every successful millionaire's story. The third skill is time management. How do you use your time? Look at the clock. Each tick, each tock is a moment you'll never get back. The affluent understand this better than anyone. They treat time like the precious commodity it is, and they're careful not to squander it. So how do they manage their time? They prioritize. They understand that not all tasks are created equal. Some tasks are more consequential than others, and those get their attention first. They focus on productivity over busyness. It's not about being always on the go, but about getting the right things done. Efficiency, too, is key. The wealthy know that it's not enough to be busy. You've got to be effective. They find ways to streamline their tasks, to get more done in less time. They automate, delegate, and eliminate as needed. Time is a non-renewable resource, and the wealthy treat it as such. Remember, time is money, and managing it well can lead to financial freedom. I hope you are enjoying this video so far. Please like and subscribe for more content to help you achieve financial freedom. The fourth skill is surrounding yourself with successful people. Who do you spend your time with? It's a question worth pondering. The people we surround ourselves with can greatly influence our mindset, our habits, and ultimately, our success. Ever notice how the wealthy often mingle with those who inspire and challenge them? They understand the value of having a robust network of successful individuals. These are the people who provide them with different perspectives, who push them to think bigger, to dream grander, and to act bolder. They engage with mentors who have walked the path they aspire to tread, who can guide them through the challenges they might encounter. They also value peers who are on a similar journey, for they know that shared experiences and insights can be just as enriching. Remember, it's not just about who you know, but who you grow with. Your network is your net worth. The fifth skill is negotiation skills. Can you negotiate effectively? Now let's delve into the art of negotiation. This skill is not just about haggling at a market, it's a fundamental aspect of wealth creation. When it comes to business and finance, negotiation is a critical tool used to secure the best possible deals and maximize profits. Imagine this: the wealthy don't just accept the first offer on the table. They negotiate. They understand the value of what they bring to the table and are not afraid to ask for what they believe is a fair exchange. It's about understanding the other party's needs and finding a middle ground that benefits both sides. But remember, effective negotiation is not about winning at all costs. It's about creating a win-win situation. The end goal is always to build and maintain relationships, not to burn bridges. And so we see that negotiation is not just a skill, it's a powerful tool for wealth building. The sixth skill is self-motivation. What drives you to succeed? Is it ambition, the thirst to make your mark in the world, or perhaps it's a deep-seated drive, a relentless pursuit of wealth and success? Self-motivation is not a trait you are born with. Rather, it is a skill that can be honed and mastered. The wealthy understand the power of self-motivation. They know that every day is a new opportunity, a chance to take a step closer to their financial goals. They do not wait for inspiration to strike, they create it. They ignite the spark within themselves. They fuel their own journey towards success. Understand this: self-motivation is more than just an internal pep talk. It is the engine that propels you forward. It is the force that pushes you through obstacles and challenges. It is the fire that keeps you going when others have given up. Self-motivation is the fuel that drives financial success. The seventh skill is goal setting. Do you set and pursue goals? Well, let's delve into why this is so crucial. You see, goals are like the compass that guides the ship. They provide a clear direction for your financial journey. They give a sense of purpose and focus, and with them, you eliminate the risk of wandering aimlessly. The wealthy understand this. They set clear, achievable goals and diligently work towards them. They visualize their financial destination and map out the steps to get there. It is this unwavering commitment to their goals that sets them apart. You too can adopt this mindset. Begin by setting financial goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This is what we call SMART goals. And remember, consistency is key. It's not just about setting goals, it's about the journey, the perseverance, and the dedication to achieving them. Goals give direction to your financial journey. The eighth skill is innovative thinking. Can you think outside the box? It's a question with profound implications. The ability to break away from traditional thought patterns, to see beyond the conventional, is a trait that often separates the wealthy from the rest. Creativity and innovation are not just buzzwords, they are the lifeblood of progress. They are the driving forces behind new ideas and groundbreaking solutions. Wealth is not just about accumulation, it's about creation. It's about seeing opportunities where others see obstacles, about transforming challenges into stepping stones. The wealthy don't just conform to the status quo, they disrupt it. They introduce new concepts, pioneer new industries, and redefine market norms. They leverage their innovative thinking to create wealth, not just for themselves, but for society as a whole. They understand that wealth creation is an innovative process, a journey of discovery and invention. So challenge yourself to think differently, to think innovatively. Remember, innovation is the key to financial growth and success. The ninth skill is resilience. Can you bounce back from failures? The world of wealth is not a smooth ride. It's an undulating landscape of peaks and valleys. The valleys, the dips, the financial setbacks, they are inevitable. But it's not the setbacks themselves that define your journey to financial freedom, but rather your response to them. Those who have achieved financial success understand this truth. They know that every failure is a lesson, every loss, a stepping stone to the next big win. They adopt an attitude of stoic resilience, refusing to be swayed by the temporary setbacks that come their way. They dust themselves off, learn from their mistakes, and charge forward with renewed vigor. Resilience, dear friends, is not just about weathering the storm. It's about learning to dance in the rain. It's the power to transform every stumbling block into a stepping stone. Remember, resilience is the backbone of financial success. The 10th skill is to believe in God. Do you have faith? This might sound unconventional in a conversation about wealth creation, but if you look closely, many of the world's wealthiest individuals attribute a significant portion of their success to faith and spirituality. They believe in a higher power guiding their actions, providing them strength in times of adversity and resilience during setbacks. Faith, in its essence, is trust. Trust in the unknown, trust in the journey, and most importantly, trust in oneself. This trust often translates into a strong self-belief, a critical ingredient in the recipe for success. It's this unwavering trust that can propel you forward, even in the face of adversity. Belief in God or any higher power can offer a sense of purpose and direction. It can provide the moral compass that guides your decisions, keeping you grounded as you navigate the path to financial freedom. Remember, wealth is not just about accumulation, it's also about contribution and purpose. Faith can give you the strength and guidance to achieve financial freedom. Each of these skills acts as a key, unlocking doors to your financial freedom. They are not just for the select few, but accessible to anyone willing to learn, practice, and master them. Think of these skills as tools in your wealth-building toolkit. The more you hone them, the more equipped you are to build your financial empire. Like a seasoned craftsman, you too can shape your destiny with precision and confidence. Start building these skills today, and you too can achieve financial freedom. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming videos. I will see you in the next video.